Stop scrolling. Government is literally giving you 10,000 stipends, certificate and experience and most students don't know about it. So what is this opportunity? Will cover everything in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So if you are a student, fresher or even confused about your career or maybe you will be graduating very soon. So this opportunity is for you. Okay, it is completely free. We are talking about the PM internship scheme which can actually change your life and it is very good internship. Now how to join this internship, let me just show you. You can see multiple companies are there, which are some of them are government agencies, some are private companies. All you can see over here, you must have used this one, okay, for testing your lab test. You can see Reliance is also there, HDFC is also there. So multiple companies are there. Okay, now, how to join this portal and who can apply for it? Joining process is very simple. You have to just click on login and register and just click on new user. Enter your personal mobile number and then just submit and enter your personal details one by one and you'll be able to register in this opportunity. Okay. Now, once you successfully registered in this opportunity, the next step is that to find the internship. But before that, one more important thing is that who can apply for it? So who can apply for it? If your age is from 18 years to 25 years, then only you can apply for it. You are not engaged in full-time employment. Let me just show you. Means you are not having any other jobs. Second thing, you are enrolled in the online or distance learning program only, DLP. And you must be a final year student for graduation or post graduation. Means they want to say you must not be engaged in full-time education. Means you are not a regular student now, or even if you are regular, you'll be just graduating very soon. Okay, now here you must have a past degree certificate because they will ask for documents also. Now only it is limited to Indian participants, means Indian people only. Now how to register, I have already shared. Now how to find the companies? So you have to come down over here. You can see all states are there. So depending on where which state you live, you can just select from that also, or you can just select from other states also. For example, I'm just selecting it, and from here you can just select the districts also and get it filter. If it is not there, you can just leave it like this. So you can see all these details are there for the internship. For example, I'm just opening it. You can see in person you'll be getting 9,000 rupees personal assistant per month, and application will start from 4th of April. Mostly today only it started and will be ending on this. Duration is of 9 months. Okay, two candidates have already applied and five opportunities are there. Similarly, all the things are there. For example, let me just change the state. So I'm just changing it to Manipur. You can see here we have NHPC. Here also you can see these are the opportunities. And for applying, I think you have to click on yes and just register. Mostly you have to enter all your details. So this is very important and easiest opportunity to get the internships. Try your luck and all the best. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.